Los Angeles County reported 326 new cases of COVID-19 and 15 additional deaths on Saturday, October 31st, as public health officials continue to warn residents not to gather with others outside their household to celebrate Halloween. Decisions we each make tonight could haunt us and the county for many weeks, Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer said. It's not just about who might get infected on Halloween as a result of an ill-advised party, but also about the people that will come in contact with that person in the days to follow. The stakes are high since our case numbers have already been steadily increasing for the past 2 weeks. We can't really afford to repeat what we went through after the July 4th holiday when we saw surges in cases followed by alarming increases in hospitalizations and deaths. Halloween is an enjoyable holiday for many of us, and it still can be this year. Treat yourself and your family to a fun, yet safe, night without gathering with others, she continued. The traditional ways to celebrate Halloween are simply too risky this year and are not safe while we have widespread community transmission in our county. The county has now recorded 307,618 cases of COVID-19 since the pandemic began, with 7,071 fatalities. The daily update did not include fresh numbers from the cities of Pasadena and Long Beach, which operate their own health departments. Pasadena added 8 new cases to its total of 2,838. Its death toll remained at 129. Long Beach did not update its numbers on Saturday. As of Friday, the city recorded 354 cases and 259 deaths. The number of people hospitalized in the county because of the coronavirus increased from 743 on Friday to 783, with 28% of those people in intensive care, according to the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health. Of the other 14, all but one had an underlying health condition. 5 were over the age of 80, 7 were between the ages of 65 and 79, 1 was between 50 and 64, and 1 was between 30 and 49. Health officials have said that the county had been averaging about 940 new cases a day at the beginning of October, but is now averaging about 200 a day. Los Angeles County remains entrenched in the most restrictive, purple, tier of the state's coronavirus economic reopening matrix. Until the daily case numbers drop to a steady average of about 700 per day, the county will be unable to substantially lift business restrictions or allow school campuses to reopen. The county had reached that benchmark in September, raising hope it might advance to the less restrictive, red, tier, but it was unable to maintain those case levels. Health officials have said younger residents represent the bulk of new cases being reported, and they pointed directly to public gatherings, particularly groups of people coming together to watch sporting events either in private settings or at outdoor restaurants, as responsible for the case increases.